The Ghost Festival, also known as the Hungry Ghost Festival or Zhongyuan Festival, is a traditional Chinese festival celebrated in many East Asian countries. It is believed that during this time, the gates of the afterlife are opened, and spirits, both benevolent and malevolent, roam the earth. The festival usually falls on the 15th day of the 7th lunar month, with activities taking place throughout the month. The Ghost Festival has both religious and cultural significance. According to Chinese folklore, the spirits of deceased ancestors may return to visit their living descendants during this time. To honor and appease these spirits, people perform various rituals and ceremonies. One of the most common practices during the Ghost Festival is the offering of food and other items to the spirits. These offerings are intended to provide comfort and sustenance to the wandering souls. People also burn incense and paper money, believing that the smoke will guide the spirits and the paper money will be used in the afterlife. Another prominent feature of the Ghost Festival is the performance of Chinese opera or puppet shows. These performances are held in open areas or makeshift stages and are believed to entertain and appease the spirits. The shows often depict stories of the afterlife and the supernatural. In some regions, people also release floating lanterns or make small boats out of paper, which are set afloat on rivers or lakes. This act symbolizes the liberation of trapped souls and is believed to bring good fortune. The Ghost Festival is also a time for communities to come together and celebrate. Many places organize street parades, carnivals, and other cultural events. These festivities often include live music, dance performances, and traditional games. While the Ghost Festival is deeply rooted in Chinese culture and beliefs, it is also celebrated by other East Asian communities, such as those in Taiwan, Singapore, Malaysia, and Vietnam. Each region may have its own unique customs and traditions associated with the festival, but the underlying theme of honoring and remembering the deceased remains consistent. Overall, the Ghost Festival is a significant event in East Asian culture that provides an opportunity for people to pay homage to their ancestors and remember those who have passed away. It is a time for reflection, remembrance, and community bonding.